In this video, I'll show you how to download GTA San Andreas on Android. The first thing you need to do is open the Play Store app. Once you're in the app, click on the search bar at the top and search for GTA San Andreas. After this, several GTA games will appear, but click on the first option that shows up. Then, you'll see an option to purchase the game, and to buy it, click the blue button where the price is displayed. Finally, you'll need to link your bank account to purchase the game. If you already have it linked, like in my case, you can buy the game directly with your bank account. Other options to install the game are also with Netflix. To do this, you will have to open the Netflix application and enter your profile. After that, as you can, a section will appear where the games are, and among those games is GTA San Andreas. Then we click on it, and then the option to install the game will appear. And that's it. Subscribe, it's free.